Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
What's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. As you guys saw from the title of this video, doing our Stitch Fix unboxing. If you guys are new to Stitch Fix, Stitch Fix is a subscription styling box which comes whenever you really want. So like for me right now, I have it set on once a month that I get it because I like doing this video, but you can have it set up to where it comes every 2 weeks, if it comes every month, every 4 months. Pretty much like it's very flexible and you can do it whenever you feel like it. You pay $20 for a styling fee. So if I decided to keep something from my box, let's say $38, I would take that $38 and subtract $20 from it, so then I would only end up paying $18 for that item instead of paying the full $38. If I decide not to keep anything in my box, then that $20 is lost, which is really sad. But they do have to pay for the service somehow. I haven't been super lucky with my stylists. My last box, I don't think I actually ended up keeping anything because the things that I liked were super expensive, like $80 for one item. So, but the box before, I did receive a top that I really love. They do have a prepaid label and shipping bag that is very big that you can go ahead and slide anything that you didn't want to keep. You put it in there. It is very easy to go ahead and send back items that you don't want to keep. There's no hassle or anything. That's one thing I do like about Stitch Fix. Okay, so in every single box they have a little pamphlet that says, "Oh, hello." And it also shows you what is in your box, which I don't like to look at that. And then normally there is a little note here from your stylist. And it looks like I got Anna again, which I believe I had her last time, and I think I requested to keep her again this time. So I'm not going to read what she wrote just yet, just because it kind of gives me an idea of what's in the box. So I like to be surprised. So yeah. And then also it has inside a little envelope. It tells you the prices of everything and the name of everything. And so I read that as we go. Apparently they didn't do a very good job at putting the things inside the little burrito, which I like to call it. Something just like slid out. So I don't know what's up with that. That's the first time that's ever happened. So the first thing that I see in here, I think it's either a dress or a kimono. We got another thing from City Chic. So in my last box, I told them that I liked the top from City Chic. And so I guess my stylist decided to go ahead and send me something else from City Chic. This is the Marina wrap dress in teal green. It's in a size 18. And the price of this dress is $98, you guys. Wow, that's expensive. I don't know if it's really going to be worth $98. Like I've said in the past, I'm not a huge fan of wrap style. I don't know. It's just not my thing. I feel like it kind of like is older for me. I don't know. You guys, let's go ahead and try this on. Holy crap, $98. Is there a button or something? Oh, there is. You guys, this is why I don't do wrap dresses. I thought I would record myself trying to figure out how to do it. Looks like there's some buttons inside. So I'm guessing this is really hard to do if you have nails. FYI. Like, this is a very complicated wrap dress. Like, holy shoes. I can't even see over my boob. The struggle is real. No, I almost had it. I have the button. Oh my god, you guys, that took way too long. Like, stop. First of all, let's say this dress would be really pretty if you're going like on a tropical vacation. That's like the vibes that I get. As you can see, it's a little like low cut. Yeah, I always have a problem with that. As you saw, this dress was a bitch to button, especially I think it was because I have long nails, but like it's also because my boobs are so big I had to like pull it over my boob, try to button it, and then pull it underneath and then finally tie it. That's a cool concept, but that was a pain. Wrap dresses look really good on apple shaped bodies, as you can see. If you have a big chest and then it kind of like cinches in your waist a little bit and then kind of flows off of your midsection. This one is a nice length. It comes just to my knees, just below, and it's very comfortable. It has really nice stretchy fabric. So one thing I can say so far about City Chic is their clothes are definitely really nice. I don't know if I necessarily want to spend $98 on this dress. I wouldn't get a lot of wear out of it, but I would definitely recommend trying out that brand if you've never tried them out before, because their stuff is really nice quality. The fabric is really stretchy and comfortable and breathable. And then over here on the sleeves you have a nice little stretchy elastic bit, but isn't necessarily like my style on a regular basis. No, I probably wouldn't just wear this around town, but overall I think this dress is nice. So I forgot to mention that this is going to be like a whole dress thing. I did go ahead and ask my stylist to send me all dresses. I thought it would be kind of fun to try out different dresses from different brands. So yeah, this is just a dress box, just in case you guys were wondering. And then the next thing I see is something that's polka dot. I do like black and I do like polka dots, especially if they're tiny polka dots like this. I do like that a lot. Ooh, we have something high neck. I'm really into high neck right now, as you can see. This is the B collection by Boohoo. I don't know. And this is in the color black. They sent it in a size 3X, and the price of this is $68. So it's like a sheer dress, I guess, and then underneath it, it has tank top dress underneath. I've never heard of B collection. It might be something that's specifically like made for Stitch Fix maybe, or something like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, so this is the one I really wanted to like, but this one is just bad, you guys. It's bad. It has like cute aspects, like the print is really cute, the neckline is really cute, but seriously, it just is so like flowy and baggy. It has like no tie around the waist. Maybe if you added like a belt or something, it wouldn't be so bad. This just looks like your muumuu's like nightgown. Yeah, it's not doing anything for me. This one's in a size 3X, but like there's just no shape to this dress at all. There's a lot going on, and like underneath, like it gets tangled really easily, like the little like tank top dress underneath. This looks really sloppy. So yeah, this is a big fat no for me. Not my favorite dress. This is probably one of the worst things I've tried on. I think it's a cute concept if there was a belt or something, but it just looks really sloppy. So that's a fail. No. Up next we have another dress, I think. Yep, it looks like we have another dress. This is by Mix by 4 Hawthorne. The weird thing though is like the reason I'm looking very confused right now is on my paper it says it's by Market and Spruce, but on the tag it says it's made by Mix by 41 Hawthorne. So I think maybe they put it wrong on my paper, but this is a shirt dress. It's black. It has buttons going up and down, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fit it. It is in a size 3X and the price is $48. Let's go ahead and try this on. This shirt dress actually has real buttons. You guys know that real buttons are normally like my arch enemy. They never work out for me because of my chest, but surprisingly, the dress has buttons going all the way down. It's real buttons the whole way down, and there is no gaping at all, really. Maybe like a tiny bit right here, but nothing like crazy or anything. The thing about this dress though is it is very stretchy. So the fabric is really nice. It's very, very soft. T-shirt dresses aren't normally like my favorite sort of dress silhouette on me. They kind of just are very like rectangular on my body type, but this one's pretty cute. It has a nice little like cutout detail right here on your neckline, and then the length is just to my knee, just below my knee, which I think is a nice length. The only thing I would say is that it doesn't have pockets and there is no belt. I feel like if there was a belt, it would add like a little nice bit of, you know, accentuation around my waist. But overall, I think this is a nice dress. The price of this one is $48, which I don't think is bad for this dress, but I don't think I'm going to keep it because it's not really like my style. I don't really wear a whole lot of black. If I'm going to wear a dress, I kind of like more something going on, but I think this is a cute option. It's pretty lightweight, not really my style. I'm not huge on t-shirt dresses, but out of most of the t-shirt dresses I've tried on that have buttons, this one is the best one I've tried on, and I do really like this little neckline detail. I think that's really cute. All right, so the last dress that we have is B Collection by Boohoo in a size 3X, and the price of this is $64, and it feels really soft and everything. Let's go ahead and try this on. Not sure how I am gonna like this, but we'll see. It might make me look a little pregnant. I don't know, we'll find out. Let's go ahead and try this on too. Firstly, this is not normally a dress that I think I would actually pick out like in a store, but surprisingly, it's very flattering. I don't think it makes me look pregnant, which is what I was afraid of. The fabric is really, really soft and comfortable. I feel like this would be a really nice dress just for spring and summer. It's very lightweight, but I like that it's flowy and just kind of flows off of your tummy, but I don't think it really makes you have like the whole like pregnant look, even though it is smocked here. It's very, very stretchy. The only thing I don't like is I don't like that it doesn't have pockets. I prefer pockets in dresses for me, honestly. For some reason, I don't know why. I just really like a pocket in my dress. And then the length, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it comes just like to my ankle, and there is a little bit of like slitting here on the side, which I think adds like a little bit of like sex appeal, you know, but it's not like a super up, it's not a super high up slit. But overall, I think this dress is pretty cute. The price of this dress was $64. I'm not sure if I would necessarily pay $64 for this dress, maybe like $40, but if you're looking for like a cozy dress for summer, you could easily just pair this like with a nice like jean jacket. And then I also told her that I like dresses that have sleeves, so this one has really nice sleeves. This dress is very, very comfortable. Very pleasantly surprised at the fit and everything, so I don't necessarily think it's worth $64, but if it was like the $40 range, I would for sure buy this dress and wear it all summer long. The last item that we have in here came in the very bottom of the box. My box was pretty heavy. This is, I'm guessing why, because it wasn't just clothes. I'm thinking this is shoes. Ooh, they are. Ooh, these are cute. These are by Mia. They're the Lucy woven wedge in black. They're in an 8.5 and they are $69. These are pretty cute. Oh, if they fit me, I might end up keeping these. I've been looking for like a nice pair of wedges to wear like on Instagram pictures and stuff for summer, because I am pretty short. I'm only 5'4". Why? Stop it. Let's go ahead and try these on with one of the dresses. First of all, let's talk about how cute they are. So this is what they look like on my feet. I'll zoom in so you guys can see them. They're pretty high up, but they're very true to size. So I normally wear a size 8 to a size 8.5, and normally with like shoes that are just regular, I don't really have wide feet, but I don't have narrow feet either. These ones I would say are definitely true to size. They're not narrow, but they're not wide, and then they fit really nicely. I have a good amount of room left. They are pretty high, I would say, what, like 3 inches, but they're very, very comfortable. I think I could wear them for quite a while. Like the sole is pretty like squishy, I would say. The woven detail is really nice. I think I'm probably going to end up keeping these. I think they'll go. I know they're going to match like a lot of really cute outfits. What do you guys think about these wedges? Super cute. That was everything that was in my Stitch Fix box this month. This is my number 8 fix that I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. I really liked most of the dresses. The one super fail was that polka dot dress. It was just a whole mess. The wedges I think are what I'm gonna keep. You guys, if my camera keeps going out of focus, I'm really sorry. I don't know what its problem is. What are you even focusing on, bro? So if I decided to keep everything in my box, I would get a 25% discount, which would subtract $86.75. And that would bring the box total down to $260.25, and then you would take off my $20 styling fee, which would make the total of the box $240.25. So that's not a bad deal for 4 really nice dresses and a pair of sandals. I'm not sure what I'm gonna ask for my next box. I thought it was kind of fun to do the whole like just dresses in this box. So I think I'm just gonna let her send like random stuff, whatever she decides to choose. What was your favorite thing that I received? Let me know down in the comments section. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram, where I post pretty much every single day about plus size fashion and or makeup. As always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now.
Finding life along the